Bonjour mes amis and welcome back to Séverine's Kitchen. After the success of my first carnivore ice cream with that amazing marshmallow-like consistency, which you can check here, many of you asked if I could do a chocolate version. While chocolate isn't technically carnivore, it's definitely keto-friendly since I'm using 100% cocoa with zero carb. So let's dive right into this decadently rich, delicious, and guilt-free treats. Let's go over the ingredients you need. We're making enough for 4 big scoops. You'll need 2 eggs, but we're only using the yolks. 300 milliliters of double cream, which is approximately 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream for our friends across the Atlantic. 3 tablespoons of 100% cocoa powder. And if you like to add a bit of sweetness, but totally optional, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and a pinch of salt. First, we need to separate the egg yolks. I've come across this trick on social media where you use your fingers to separate the whites from the yolks. And I was surprised at how well it works. No need to fuss with the eggshells. Plus, here's an important tip. Avoid eating raw egg whites. Although some ice cream recipes call for them, as a nutritionist, I wouldn't recommend it. If you're curious about why, check out my other video where I explain the risks. Next up, we're going to whisk our cream until we achieve nice stiff peaks. To do this, use a hand mixer. Start on a slow speed to avoid splashing cream everywhere, then gradually increase the speed as it thickens. If your cream is at room temperature, it will whip up even faster, taking just a couple of minutes. This step is crucial because it gives our ice cream that luscious, airy texture, so take your time to get it just right. Now that our cream is ready, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. In go the egg yolks, cocoa powder, and any of the optional goodies like honey, vanilla paste, or a pinch of salt. Gently fold everything together until it's well combined. Alright, our mixture is ready. Now transfer it to a container. Ideally, you want to use a stainless steel one that has already been chilling in the freezer. This helps the ice cream set faster and gives it a smoother texture. Make sure to smooth it out and tap the container to get rid of any air bubbles. This will help you get that perfect creamy consistency. Pop the container into the freezer and let it sit for a few hours. The longer you leave it, the firmer it will get. So be patient. When you're ready to enjoy your ice cream, take it out of the freezer and let it sit for at least 15 minutes before scooping. The exact time may vary depending on how cold your freezer is and the consistency you prefer. This allows it to soften up, making it easier to serve. And now for the best part, scooping it out. You can enjoy it just as it is or try pairing it with a sprinkle of sea salt for a flavor contrast, a drizzle of honey, chopped 90% chocolate, or chopped nuts for a bit of a crunch. Et voilà mes amis! Rich, creamy, and perfectly indulgent chocolate keto ice cream. That's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed this video and are planning to give it a try, please give it the thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And if you're craving for more amazingly and effortlessly delicious recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. À bientôt les amis!